Say something. So now we all three are here for a collab for the first time. For the first time, we're having a collab. Now I'm at the rate Rayansh the King,
I'm at the rate AS with.
your
I am.
actual creator.
I'm at the red Talaivan Mapper.
Okay, so now we all together are going to play a game.
Yeah, and the reason we're doing this is because why not? Partially because I hate one.
I usually do mapping, but why not something different?
Yeah, let's start.
Okay, let's start. Now,
Okay, which game should we play first?
okay, let's start with tag.
Tag.
Yeah, tag. Yo, we got it. Okay, so guys, we're gonna play tag first.
By
So
Velo Play.
yeah, so credits to Pokey and credits to Tag by Pilo Play. We'll play this, okay? This Pet Spark game
Okay,
later.
guys.
Wait, full screen it.
Okay.
Okay, so you guys, everybody knows how tag works. So you just have to catch a person.
So let's try
Three
playing.
players.
Yeah. Choose a map. Which map do you guys want?
Let's do the normal one, the forest. Okay, listen.
Who's
Yeah.
red?
I'm red. I'm using
Yeah,
WAD.
Thalavian mapper is red.
And I
Talaivan.
have to be the yellow person
Okay,
who
yeah.
gets IGN.
Okay, yeah. So AS Wins is yellow and I'm blue.
Okay.
They aren't the king.
Yeah, sure.
Get out. Okay, let's start.
Who's it?
Vivans it, Vivans it.
Vivans
Run.
it.
Ta-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da.
Below Mars since I played
Ah.
tag. Why are you running away?
Yo, guys, I bet you don't know where I am.
What the?
Guys, try your best to find me. I'm fully hidden.
Ah!
I was hidden behind that tree.
Come on, come on. You're so close.
Bro, I'm just chilling. You guys are so slow. You can't catch me.
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, Thalavian mapper is never gonna catch me.
Maybe.
What about B?
Yeah, but Thalavian mapper is too bad at this.
Maybe. Yes.
He's still not catching me. I'm literally just standing there.
Where?
Somewhere in the universe, somewhere multiverse.
That one random thing that spoils everything.
Oh no. The teleportation.
Dance
Oh,
on
come
his
on, come on,
face.
come on.
Oh shit!
Let's go. Let's go.
Dance on your face.
Guys,
You know
I,
you're it, right?
I haven't been.
I'm still late.
Thalavian
Oh,
mapper,
shit.
you're it.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Catch his wits, catch his wits.
Let's
Yes,
go.
his wits caught. Come on, come on.
Okay. Get in here.
Thalavian mapper. Yeah, you're never catching me. I'm a pro at this game. I play 24/7.
What do you mean?
I mean, I don't. Hey, come here.
No. I don't want to come here.
Shit. Oh no.
Hey, stop swearing.
I'm not.
Yes, you are.
Oh shit, no. I don't want to lose. I'm the best player. I'm literally the best player. Salavian, come here.
No, shit.
Oh,
Shit.
bye.
Yes, Salavian shit. Oh, I didn't actually lose. I didn't actually lose. Okay,
Bye.
Sad.
okay. Let's play again.
Yeah.
Let's play again.
Restarting.
Restart.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. no,
I'm it.
Where am I?
You're in the
Okay,
middle.
okay.
I
Come
don't-
here.
Bye.
I'm gonna catch you.
Bye.
Oh,
Bye, guys.
Bro, I already caught you. How bad are you at this game?
He needs experience, okay?
yeah, I need experience.
He played.
Like I need
He has played with me. He has played.
That
this,
was like my first time or what?
you played this game
Not
with.
first
You
time.
played this game with me 10 times. You can't be talking.
Guys,
What?
I think I'm gonna get it. Oh wait, I'm not.
Yeah, nobody's ever going to fight me.
Stop.
Wait, actually, where is this guy?
Yeah, let's search for him.
Yeah, I mean, Televian mapper definitely doesn't know where I am.
Bro, you.
Haha, I stole your teleport, blah 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 blah. blah.
Well, I'm not gonna get caught anyway.
I thought that technique would work.
Which one?
What?
The one that I use on you?
Bye, guys.
Now.
Because you're too bad.
Wait.
Ow!
Wait.
Ooh,
Why?
I could have caught her.
You're so close, but.
I'm a campion. Let's go.
Yo, yo.
Yeah, that.
No, is with.
No, I'm not
I'm not it.
Oh wait, she's not it
I
anymore.
don't think I even caught her.
No, you did. You did.
Bro, I keep stealing her. I keep stealing her.
Why, bro?
Keep stealing her teleport.
That's it. I need another new.
I'm hiding in a new place this time.
Yeah, I can see you behind the tree.
Okay, don't tell.
Whatever.
Hi.
I,
Nah.
uh,
Can we please like bye? I don't want to lose. So like,
bruh.
oh no.
Nah, 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 boo, boo. Baby, baby, baby.
Can I have my teleportation?
No, no.
Please.
Not
No.
Televian mapper's too slow. Televian mapper's too slow.
Okay.
He can't even use controls. So let's play something else.
Wait, why did that rhyme?
I know. I made that rhyme. Because I'm too goated.
Yeah.
Let's play this Pets Park.
This,
Oh, you were.
This is Pet Spark by Claudio the Fifth.
What? Whatever.
Wait, it says B.
Claudio
Okay.
the
So, in case you guys don't know, this is just like that game called Pico Park where we have to like work together to solve levels.
Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna glitch.
Yeah. Especially because of Televian Mapper. Wait. I am the blue kitty.
What's TFX?
TFA.
I'm
No.
still using the.
Yeah. Okay. So,
Hi, I'm
AS Wits is the a very bad monkey.
Hey,
Hey, what am I?
Monkey.
the dog.
You're the dog. Okay, wait.
Guys, we have to stack on top of each
No,
other.
Televian, move. No, wait, you are so bad.
What do you mean?
Yeah, stay there.
Yeah.
Come on.
Whee!
Let's go.
Come
Let's
on.
go. We're so good at
Okay,
this game.
no, we are not good at team working.
We totally are, guys.
Yeah, we are.
Everyone's good at teamwork.
I guess.
IG.
I don't think we are.
What do you mean, IG?
I
don't know.
Bro, Vivan doesn't know how to play.
I do, bro.
And everybody knows your real name. Okay?
Yeah, I know.
I already revealed it.
Guys, I was there in that one short video of his.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah! Come! Oh
Yeah,
my
I'm getting
god, you
up.
guys are so bad at this game. You guys suck.
Hey, I'm the one
Bro.
who got the key.
Bro,
It's
I'm the one who helped her
yeah,
get
you
the
are
key.
so bad.
I'm the one who helped her get
You can't
out.
use simple controls.
Guys, stop.
I'm the one who.
Oh yeah,
Stop arguing.
somebody stand on the button, please. Bro, somebody stand on the button. Oh my god.
Okay.
Us two people have to come.
Oh, okay, fine. I'm
My
coming
god,
with
I hate you guys. You guys are so bad at
you.
this
Just
game.
jump, bro.
Oh my god.
Just jump.
Says the guy who can't even get the key, right?
Bro, I'm way better than both of you.
Haha, keep
Okay.
chatting.
Okay. What do we have? I don't think there's much.
Yeah, there's the key there.
I don't think there's much three-player games in this website.
Just jump.
Yes.
Yes.
We're so good at this game.
No, we're not.
Oh,
Oh,
no.
where are you going? My god.
Okay, I'm the one who's getting the key this time because.
Oh, there's another.
Fine, go get it. If you-
Bro, you got
I know,
it, bro.
Then why do you make me go away? Now move.
Bro,
Let me get that crown.
the crown. Why does player one get the crown?
So sorry.
It's
Wait.
not fair.
Now I'll put it for you guys too.
Really?
Wait, no. Who's player two?
Player two is.
Yeah, it's me.
Okay, I'll put the crown for you. And since you're a girl, I'll put this for you. I'll put the thing. I'll put this for you.
Hey.
Whee.
Come on. Level 4.
Level 4.
Wee 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 wee
What are you
wee.
guys doing?
Someone.
Bro, chill, bro. There's
Come,
also
another
one
person come.
coming.
Yeah, go.
Wait.
Yeah, now
Now
go.
let's go.
Someone
We're
get the
so
key.
good at teamwork, right, guys?
Go.
Yeah, I get to go first today.
Oh, oh, why is Vivan's pet making such goofy noises?
Even yours is.
Bye, guys. It's a dog. What do you expect? Bro,
Ah,
3 people.
Three people.
Just let Rayansh go up.
I'm-
He's the main character of
Yeah, he's the main
No,
character.
I'm never gonna let, never in my life I'm gonna let Vivan stand on top of me.
Why not?
Come! Where are you guys going?
I'm too heavy.
My god, stop!
Oh, what are you?
Bro!
I'm not letting any of you come on my head. Now stack. Shut up! Stop!
What? No.
Fine, just come on my head, of course.
Uh.
Stop crying!
Now go to the button. Because I need to go.
I'm always gonna stand up. No, not that way. Oh yeah, two people have to go?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Come down.
Bro,
Bro, I'm
get
gonna,
the button.
I'm gonna push you to death.
Stop.
Get
Get off! Get off!
What do you mean?
Jump.
You get
Bro,
off!
just go down.
You're not gonna get fall damage. This is in Minecraft.
What do I
No,
do?
I'm not letting Vivan come on top of my head.
Bro.
Oh, fine. You know what?
My god. Yeah, somebody else come. Yeah,
Yeah.
you both have to jump together.
Jump.
Oh god, you guys are so bad. Should I?
3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
We.
What do you
Yeah, I'll just do it. I'll stay down. I'll show you how it's done.
How it's done.
How it's
done, done.
No, not that trash one.
Hey, get out. You actually watch K-pop.
Not the way.
Guys.
Bro.
Yeah. No, wait. Come on top of my head.
Okay.
Ah. Actually, no. Just go on top of the Doogie's head.
Even not a dookie.
No, I'm a catty.
Cat.
Oh, wait, yeah.
My god, I'll just move for you.
Finally.
Okay, now I'll just do it for you.
Bro, no.
Wait.
Come on top of it. 3, 2, 1.
Well, that was.
3, 2, 1.
Wait.
God, this is too hard.
Should we just quit? Or something?
Just press the button. Now, yeah, it's impossible to go there.
Oh,
Wait.
We just have to go from
We're
here.
so dumb.
Oh, we are so dumb.
Oh my god. What
Wait.
were we thinking?
Oh my god.
There's a button there.
Move. Move.
What am I doing?
Move, dude. You too.
What am I doing? I'm waiting for him.
Ah.
And you guys just come on the.
I'm never gonna press the lever.
Wait.
Wait, let's check if there's any more three player games.
Let's play Rainbow Army.
There's no three player.
But still, we could take turns.
Wait. House of Hazards.
House of the Hazards.
Should we try that?
Yeah, sure.
Are you sure about that?
Danger. Choking
Lumpy
hazard.
smile. Lumpy bounce.
What is this? A small World Cup. Wait, what?
What?
You can play that with 3 people.
Can we please play Rainbow Army soon at level? Because that's fun.
What's this one?
Coins, blah blah blah.
Claim 3x.
Oh, what?
Let's see who we get.
Rodrigo.
Uruguay. Paraguay.
Who are these people?
Italia.
Oh, Vinny Junior.
Brasilia.
Brazil.
Sure.
We can. Why are we playing football all of a sudden?
Because why not?
The World Cup 2026.
Right.
Brazil.
Yeah, let's Brazil.
See, I know my football knowledge.
We'll play with Vinny Junior.
Vinicius Junior.
Vinicius Junior.
What are we even doing?
Wow.
What is this?
Brazil
Croatia.
versus Croatia.
Brazil versus.
There's only one player.
Wait, is this?
Yeah, this is one player.
Oh, you have to use your mouse. Oh yeah, this is only one player.
Nah.
Let's play something else.
Let's play Monkey Slide.
Gee,
Monkey slide.
that game's boring.
Party time.
It's part of that. Why do you play some weird games? Yeah, Rainbow Hobby is good. And draw my path home. Why don't you play Survive Tsunami for Brain Rot?
Cause why not?
That's such a good game. Okay, what should we play?
Rainbow up.
Devil.
Fine, I guess we'll just play Rainbow. But how will we play Rainbow Hobby?
Turns.
Turns.
Do you think?
Oh, let's take turns for PvP.
Okay.
Sorry, not PvP. Knockout or PvP? What was it?
Oh no.
Why? What happened?
What?
I'm bad at PvP. No, like
Troll.
actually. Yes, let's do it.
No.
I'm just kidding. Let's just
PvP
slap
or
you.
knockout?
You will not be able to complete the hobby.
I know.
Oh, not knockout. Knockout
I
is
can
boring.
see that.
Yeah, we just
Knockout is just Roblox.
yeah. All of these are technically Roblox games.
Yes, they are. Because they're hobbies.
Yeah.
Apparently, Obby equals to Roblox.
Yes.
Okay.
Test. Even outlet.
Okay, let's take turns. Okay. So I'll start. I'll go first. Okay. Okay. Have you guys even ever played this mode?
Yes, I have. I'm very bad.
Oh my god, it's impossible to play with a mouse. Can I control this? Yeah.
You know what? Actually, we can just do this.
Who is
Click,
even
click, click.
outlet?
Us.
Click. Arey, you have to click to beat up people. Click the mouse.
Beat him up.
Bro, give it to
Beat him, beat him, beat him.
Beat him up.
Shit. Okay, it's impossible to play this. Let's just play. something.
Exactly why I'm very bad at this game.
Respawn.
No.
No, it is easy, but then it's impossible with you guys playing too.
Uh-huh.
Do you play this?
No.
Okay, whatever. What should we play?
Bro. Just go to the hobby, bro.
Which one?
Um, um, um. Which one do you want?
Card?
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Card.
No, way, I'm doing card.
Huh?
Card sounds boring.
Definitely not doing troll.
One is pretty good. It's not that bad.
I'm
Just keep slapping you.
I've
I know that.
I've played.
Oh,
Oh, shit. Yeah, let's just play card.
You guys are so the slowest.
Bro, it's too hard to play this with keyboard and mouse.
This is why I don't play card.
It's hard to play anything with keyboard and mouse.
Now let's play level 10.
Are you sure about that?
Yes.
We could play this.
What's that?
Three people together. We play this.
What's that?
Under
Yeah, like-
the red sky.
It's like only a one-player game, but
Dedra game.
we three could work together.
Credit to Dedra Games.
And Federico.
Federico Valverde.
I don't know if they both are the same person. What are we
Uh,
doing?
so like, listen, Vivan, you will be control in looking around using the mouse, okay? And if you mess up, I will beat you up, and you will be control of jumping,
Okay.
and I
I
will be
think I understood.
Oh my god,
Okay.
you are so bad. Look at the correct direction.
Oh my god!
The mouse sensitivity isn't even that much, dude. I will beat you up.
Okay. You know what? I'm controlling the mouse. Um, bro, control the space key, bro.
Wait, no. Yeah.
Please proceed to the training exercise.
Welcome. Arrival. WASD.
Jump! You idiot.
I might need to control both of
No
them.
need to jump.
Tutorial. Ah!
Move. Aradhya, look that side. Jump.
I
God. You're so bad at every single game in the whole world.
You're so bad at this.
Especially Thalabian. God, why aren't you jumping?
I am jumping.
No, you're not. Shut up.
Bro. Bro! You know what? I'm controlling both. I don't care. It
Yeah.
can't be that hard.
It's not. It is kind of hard, but
See, I'm so good at this.
we could just go to settings and change the sensitivity. So Vivan could. It could be a little easier for Vivan.
Okay.
Or I could just control something else instead.
Wait, I can run on walls?
Yeah.
Mm.
Jump. Oh shit, sorry. That was my fault. For the first time.
Oh my god. For the first time.
Jump. I mean, don't jump.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Use your own brain too.
Okay, I'm gonna use my own brain.
Jump.
Mm.
Good. Okay.
Wait, we're still gonna But anyway.
Okay. Jump. Now jump. That's it. Jump down. Jump. Yeah. Nice. Look, that's it. Yeah. Good.
The
When,
live evaporator is just watching us.
yeah. When we're done with the tutorial, we'll just reduce the mouse.
Mouse sensitivity.
Yeah. So
Oh my.
Vivan could play easier.
Maybe I'm very bad at
Jump.
this game. I don't think.
Oh yeah, you can jump after the climb to vault.
This game is very confusing, but it's okay.
Done.
Okay, congratulations. Enjoy the recreation
Where's
of
the settings option?
didn't they tell us that or something?
Wait. Look here. What? Where is that?
What do
Huh?
you mean two?
Oh, you have to press 2.
Red.
Huh. Oh,
Yes.
so look sensitivity is there.
And
That's right. I don't know.
okay.
What?
Okay, I'm going
Or
to
should I make him do this, like the controls?
shot. Right on.
Okay. Let's see if you can do it.
I'm the jumping
Yeah.
thing. The jumper.
Because
I
I
am the jumper. Play.
Wait, let
Enjoy
me-
the recreation of
let me
space
just
and get to work.
wait. Let me just check the sensitivity. Don't move. Is this too less?
Nah.
No, it's okay. Yeah, move. Yeah, the sensitivity is good.
This is very confusing, you know.
Now it will be easier.
See camera.
Wait.
You
Keep moving up.
What?
Yeah,
Traveling to main
Man?
hub. And the main hub is the hub.
It's kind of laggy.
Join our Discord. No.
No, not going to. I
Okay.
do have Discord.
You do?
Yeah, for maps.
Yeah,
For what?
for
The
maps.
Whatever.
Let's
Wait.
finish
Wait.
guys.
Chill.
Okay.
Can I please control the controls?
You're putting him in charge of jump.
Yes.
I guess. Wait.
Waiting.
Jump can be
Yeah,
easy,
move.
bro. It's just one button.
Yeah, chalo. Switch.
Okay.
It's just one button, bro. At least.
Why is that person lagging?
Lol.
Different. Rather.
Yeah.
Now wait. Let me see what is there. Finish it. Trials.
18.
Yeah, 18. Same thing. Move.
Not the same thing.
Wait.
Finish.
Yeah, we have to go there. Go forward now. You can jump for fun if you want.
Like,
Wait.
For the friendly.
No. Cancel. Okay, just go back. No.
set the game on speed.
Yeah.
Bro, guys, move the camera so I can just like.
It's kind of bad the mouse sensitivity in this game. Yeah, move.
Over your first challenge.
Over here, new cute. Your first challenge.
Wait, can you go back to sensitivity? I want to change the.
Come on,
How do you
bro.
go to settings?
2.
Just press escape button if you want to go to settings. Just full screen it. Over here, mute it.
Yes, I love this mouse sensitivity.
Over your
Move.
this side.
Yeah, keep going. Okay,
And
good.
go to challenge.
This mouse sensitivity is very good. Move. Keep going.
A bit laggy.
I know. Just go this side. Yeah. Challenge 1. Let's see, what do we have for a challenge 1?
Which one?
Challenge.
Okay, yeah. Oh, I remember this. Yeah, chalo, move.
It's just pass.
Why are you going back?
No, why are you going back?
Yeah, for some reason. What are you doing? Chalo, move.
Jump. Wait. That's I move. Move.
Go.
Bro.
What? It's not like I'm dying
Jump.
or anything.
Did that dude just front flip or something? Why is he walking on the edge? It's so
Bro,
funny.
Bro, why are you jumping?
You know there's no checkpoints, right? So you should not move around.
Let me out of me.
Get me out of here.
Oh my god. What is this, bro?
What's the time?
Jump.
Strolling. Like, move.
Oh my
I am jumping.
Bro, you're not good
You
at
are
jumping.
Yeah. What are you even good at?
Bro.
Nothing. It's the answer.
Go, bro. Okay, thank God.
Jump.
Now it's my
Jump.
turn.
It's not that hard.
Oh my
God. It's not that hard to jump. You just have to click on a single space bar.
Bro, move your mouth.
Bro, actually, I'm saying this was actually kind of fun. But wait, let's go. Arey,
Wait,
I
what?
want to try doing the surf thing.
What's surfing water?
Look, it's so fun. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. That's what Vivaan saying. Go. It's fun.
So like, am I just supposed
Yeah,
to
just
do
go
this?
now. Just go.
Do this. Jump. You better
Jump.
jump.
Go.
Bro, you know we don't need to jump exactly for this, right?
I don't know.
Go. Go.
Jump.
Go.
Jump.
Go.
Let's go.
Go.
Stop. Yeah. Let's go.
Finally.
Finally. Round of applause for Vivaan, everybody. He actually clicked the jump button. Everybody, round
That's
of
the most
applause.
normal thing ever.
Okay, now chalo, keep. Okay, let's continue. Guys, please give a round of applause to him. But he actually clicked the jump button.
We.
Bro needs to trap. There's a trampoline, bro.
No.
Oh, it's a
You
trampoline.
still have to
Okay.
click the jump button.
Oh, okay.
We.
Yeah, now here you have to surf. So move carefully.
What? How does surfing work?
Just
Like
just
go.
go. You'll find out.
Oh
Oh,
god.
Look, it's actually this one is the most dependent on me. Jump! This one is the most dependent on me because
There's no checkpoints.
I'm controlling the. Move. We'll practice some surfing here. Just go that way. Here. Yeah. Go like this. Yeah. Now let's. Should we go this way now? Let's try this
okay,
way.
I see.
Oh my god, how much are you gonna cough?
Look.
Wee 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 wee. Ah!
Perfect timing.
ये तीन लोग मिलके खेल रहे हो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंट्रोल संभाले हुए हो।
Okay. Continue. Go 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 go.
Move.
Go.
Bro, just
Move.
go.
You know you could jump from 2 blocks too, right? If you click the jump button.
Yeah.
If you click the
Yeah.
Click the jump.
If you
Should we
click
just go to the other side?
this way,
Yeah.
it will be harder because you have to click the jump button more.
Yes,
Oh my
I know it.
Since you have to click the jump button more.
Vivan, I think you're really bad at this game.
Yeah.
No
that
offense.
is better.
Bro, it's so much harder. I did it with my.
No!
Bro, where are you?
I
first
did it
of all?
with my
Let's-
I did it with my 11th reader friend, and we only had 2 people, and it was way easier.
Surfing.
Move! My
Just
God.
move.
Okay, jump.
You
Jump.
can jump this distance. Look,
Jump.
jump,
Jump.
jump,
Good. See, it's so easy, bro.
jump.
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 I am jumping.
You know what, Vivan? You get the controls. I want to see how you do with controls.
I think it might be worse because he can't
Yeah.
press the jump button.
Let's
Wait, we'll go this way because
Okay, that way.
because I'm jumping.
move. Bro, Vivan, why do you need 2 hands for arrow controls?
I don't.
Gee, how come? No, you should.
No.
These words. Do this. Mouse.
Why am? Oh,
No,
is he supposed to do that?
Will it do good at mouse?
No, I'm pretty sure.
Just do jump.
Oh,
Chalo, now watch this.
watch. As we go.
You know, while surfing, the mouse person has to contribute the most.
Oh,
God. The mouse person is me, so.
My God, look up. I'm not sad. Why should I look at my feet? Go that way.
That way, this way.
Jump. My
Okay,
God.
God.
Do you know how to jump?
Okay.
No, wait. Yeah, jump.
Go.
Jump.
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 Another round of applause for Mr. Vivan. He actually clicked the jump button 5 times.
Really?
Why are you looking at my feet? I am not sad. I don't want to look at
He's
my
not
feet.
depressed.
Like people who are depressed, they look at their feet, right? They look down, right?
Bro,
stop.
Stop.
Seriously, stop.
Actually, look straight.
You know, I can handle this whole thing only myself. I've completed this level myself.
Can you please?
Can you actually?
Now jump.
Yeah, I will.
Yeah, you definitely jump.
No, I didn't.
Yes.
Actually, no, you don't need to jump for this trampoline.
Whatever.
Okay, now it's
Okay.
surfing
Jump.
time. We didn't even get to surf. I didn't even get to experience a challenge.
It's not easy. I'm telling you that.
But hopefully I can do it.
Oh my God.
It's your fault. You're not looking where we're supposed to look.
Fine.
Look straight.
Fine, I think. Lofi beat something.
Okay, yeah.
When do you have to go?
Go back.
When do you have to go?
5:30.
No ads.
Jump. Jump. Jump.
Yo guys,
Jump.
by the way, please subscribe to me and
Jump.
not to these people. These people.
Nah. Please subscribe to me. I don't even have above 100.
These people don't need
No need to subscribe.
Yes, I do.
No need
I'm
to
only
subscribe to
68.
it.
I'm only 72.
Let's not talk about mine.
These people don't need subscribers.
I do.
I
do. She might not. I
Well,
do.
I need more subscribers than you.
Okay, still, I still need subscribers.
Jump.
You might need more, but I still need
First
subscribers.
jump and then talk about your depressed subscribers.
Shut up.
Oh my god, I found a dude who is down on his luck. I'll just subscribe to him. Just subscribe to me, not to these people.
Bro, subscribe to
Oh,
all
I
of-
see a person who can't jump.
But subscribe to me the most.
Hey!
Yeah, bro, one
Bro,
account,
you
two
don't even
subscribers.
post anything.
I do post. Bro, where are you going?
Bro. Yeah, let's go.
Are you gonna smash this spacebar or something? Wait.
Let me get
Look
it.
that way. Look that way. There's something here. We could go this way. Wait. Look up. Yeah, wait a minute. Yeah, we could use this.
Okay.
Vivan, you
Yeah.
know what to do.
I want to
Jump.
surf though.
Shut up.
Oh, this thing.
Wait.
Grab
Chill, Vivan, chill. Jump. Okay. Say no.
You suck.
We are going straight.
We're going straight.
No need to control with your goofy mouse. And keep crying if you can't surf. Yeah, it's
Yeah,
my fault.
that wasn't my fault.
Yeah, that was Aradhya's fault.
Yeah, we having trouble.
You know what? I'm looking at.
Bro, we guys are so bad. But if I was playing alone, we could already.
Yeah.
I know.
Keep talking
Thank-
main character.
We have already.
We
I've
have
completed this
energy.
level on my own. Red Bull energy. Ting-a-ling-a-ling.
Red Bull gives you wings.
Coca-Cola gives you speed.
Okay.
Now jump. Wait. Now you don't control the mouse.
Okay.
No, chill. Okay. Can you look a little down? Can you look a little straight? Yeah. Okay, now move.
Yeah, we go. I give
Yeah.
We-
Go.
we.
No. Wait. Now chill. We're almost done.
Yes.
Yes! Finally, we're done. Oh my god, that took so much time for us. Should we do some surf?
Yes. We're going.
Jump.
Let's practice some surfing, guys.
Even I have to do a lot. Oh, let's go to the surfing challenge.
Okay.
Wait, what?
Surfing challenge.
That means I'm gonna be the one who.
Even I have to do a lot. Okay, I have to control where we're going.
That wasn't good timing.
Yes, it wasn't. We're on.
Yeah. Fun fact.
The good bit is that the jumping has to do the least.
Yeah, and this is kind of fun.
Oh!
You can't click a single space bar.
You know what? Let me click the space bar.
No, let me do
Yeah,
it.
let me do it.
My god, why are we stuck? Oh no! Stuck in the void. First, full screen, please. Yo, why is that dude? Why does that dude have 6'7" on his cap?
6, 7.
Okay, bro.
No, what? Okay.
I restarted the level. See?
Oh my god, bro, so cool. Bro.
Let's see who's top.
Oh,
Did I do something?
that was me.
Did I do something wrong?
Yes, you did.
What are you guys doing?
Why is that dude's name Zcod Worker? Jump.
I did jump, but
See, I think the jumping has to do the most, according to him.
No,
no.
you just have to jump a single time. Jump.
Yes!
Yes.
Should we go a little slow at that part?
Yes.
Uh,
Back to the.
That was your fault.
What do you mean it's my fault? You literally went off the edge.
Keep this.
This guy will blame everyone but himself.
Jump. We have got to jump into
I
the.
gotta jump into the void. We.
Do it, Vivan. Do it.
Vivan being Vivan. jump. You're jumping too early.
What are we doing?
Did you know you cannot jump while surfing? But so that's why I say that you're jumping. Okay, that was my fault. Jumping too
Okay,
early.
exactly.
Well, at least I help a lot in this part.
Okay.
Jump.
What about the mouse? I am the mouse.
Oh my god, you're a mouse. Ah, I need to get a cat.
The mouse.
Exterminator.
The mouse.
Jump. Yes, please, please.
That was your fault.
You could have went a little slower.
Your fault.
I stopped.
That's it. Can you
Your
stop this game?
fault.
So sad, but I've made the.
Oh
We
my
haven't
god.
even played level 11.
So
Bro, don't you want to play level 11 or something?
not much. Or maybe we'll play later in the video.
Later in the video.
Oh my god, bro, so cool, bro.
Oh.
That was the mouse's fault.
What do you mean the mouse's fault?
The exterminator is coming anyways.
Exterminator.
Who is
Get
controlling the controls?
You.
Wait.
Ah, stop! Jump!
Wait, so this guy is controlling the controls, which is controlling the game.
No, I'm not.
Controlling.
Yes, you are.
Not your arch nemesis. Why are you looking that way?
Because I'm gonna. I'm done with this. I'm gonna.
Falling through the void.
Fine. Fine, bro.
Hey. What just
Falling
happened?
through the void.
Back to the.
Please, just trap.
Oh.
Stop.
Okay.
That's her fault.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
Yes, come on.
yes, yes. No other one of these.
Because it's a surfing challenge. What do you
Oh my god. Well, at least we completed the last one. Oh shit.
What are we
Wait,
doing?
wait, wait, wait.
Oh, okay.
What am I so?
Jump, jump, jump.
Go,
That,
go, go.
that was just showboated by front
Oh,
flipping.
come on, come on. let's go.
Wow.
We actually completed this in our second or third try,
Yeah, second.
which is really good.
Yeah, but it's so awesome.
No, we're not. Well, I am, but not you. We could have just went
Bro,
that
says
way.
the guy with the least
It was a shortcut. I have the least subscribers because
You just
Because
don't.
you're not cool.
no,